So for writing trig equations day 2, we're really going to build upon what we did yesterday with graphs. So as a reminder, we have our equations y equals a, the cosine of bx plus d, and y equals a, the sine of bx plus d, where d is our midline, a is our amplitude, and our period is 2 pi over b. So let's say we have a problem here, and it says write a sine function that has a midline of 3, amplitude of 4, and a period of 5 pi over 6. So we know we have to fill in y equals something, the sine, let's try it without the boxes here. So y equals a, the sine of bx plus d. And we have to fill in the a, the b, and the d. Well, we know some of this, an amplitude of 4, so y equals 4, the sine, we don't know our b value, and a d, midline of 3, so plus 3. So we know our period is 5 pi over 6. Well, we know our period is really 2 pi over b equals 5 pi over 6. Then we can multiply this out. So we can say 6 times 2 pi, so we have 12 pi equals 5 pi times b. So divide by 5 pi. So we have 12 over 5 equals b, and we can put that in for our b value. So the other type today that you are going to take a look at that we looked at the other day as well, but just a reminder of some of this. Let me see if I can bring one up here. Okay, so we are asked to write the equation of this trigonometric graph. So what you might want to do for your notes here is, let's make our axes here. And it goes up to 2 and down to -1, -2, -3, -4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 pi. So it starts at 2. Let's see, our next one. So -1, that must be our midline. And then 2 pi, it's down at the bottom, mid, and then it goes back to high. So we can identify a couple things on here. So our midline is -1. And if it's starting at 2, we know that's a cosine. So we know our midline is -1. And then our amplitude, we go up 2, up 3, and down 3. So it's y equals 3, the cosine. And then our period, if it starts high, it gets back to high at 4 pi. So our period equals 4 pi. And again, our period is 2 pi over b equals 4 pi. So we can solve this times b times b. So we have 2 pi equals 4 pi b, whoops, which you can't see right now. Sorry guys, I didn't realize that that was off the screen, my bad. And then let's divide by 4 pi. So we have 2 over 4 equals b, which reduces down to 1/2. So we have 1/2 x. And then we have our equation right there.